nigga sad, hit that fast. Don't you think that we in the same class? Niggas waste cash on the fake ass. I'm an old soul, you the latest. Tosto siyaphela, du siyayiqeda, kho siyayeka, look siyayipheka. Look mamela, shorty looks good, but then she got loose screws, ngiyakutshela. Spook ngempela, tosto siyaphela, du siyayiqeda, kho siyayeka, look siyayipheka. Look mamela, shorty looks good, but then she got loose screws, ngiyakutshela. Spook ngempela.
Running the streets, feeling like Pac. I'm having these niggas for lunch. Who got the juice? Pour in a cup. Sweeping the streets, I came as a cup. I ain't seeing the best. You niggas are nothing. Checking the distance. The rappers ain't close to me, ain't got no favorite. Niggas are mumbling, stuck in the basement. You niggas are under me. Hell is you thinking? Yeah. Get on your knees and begin to worship me. Yeah. Get out your feelings. Who is the king? Nigga, you looking at him. I had too much to drink. I don't remember a thing. I don't beef with local niggas. I'm too busy making the ching. You making the what? I'm making the.
I do not say the reason for acting like niggas, cause niggas pretend a lot. Soon as they get close to the king, and niggas are acting like Lancelot. Niggas are feeling responsible over my gift, they acting like Santa Claus. I do not play with a chance, my nigga, I'm making it count like it's algebra. Unless I come to the laws of gravity, I won't succumb to the laws of nobody, claws of poverty. I'm finna open these doors, and formally numbers are even, but yours are overly odd. I'm beating all over the odds, my feelings are written all over the songs. I am the illest Jehovah reborn. My other nigga sad, hit it fast. Don't you think that we in the same class?